Alfa Romeo, once renowned for its stylish and thrilling driving experiences, has seen its reputation wane in recent years. While they have created some iconic cars in their 100-year history, enthusiasts have been less enthused by their recent offerings. Nevertheless, hope remains for a reinvigorated Alfa Romeo. Join us as we explore the top 9 Alfa Romeo icons in history. Number 9 is the 1952 Alfa Romeo Disco Volante. At a quick glance, one might briefly confuse the sensual contours of the Alfa Romeo C52 Disco Volante with those of a Jaguar E-Type. In fact, if the financially challenged manufacturer hadn't abandoned the project in favor of different endeavors, it could have evolved into Alfa's masterpiece. Coach-built by Carrozzeria Touring, the car's curvaceous, wind-tunnel-tested surfacing not only gave the C52 a super low drag coefficient, but also inspired the internal nickname of Disco Volante, Italian for flying saucer. But had Alfa Romeo possessed the resources and determination to put it into production, the Disco Volante might have enjoyed the cult status that the E-Type now inspires. At number 8, the 1967 Alfa Romeo T33-2 Stradale Prototipo. The competition Alfa Romeo 33s starred in sports prototype racing for nearly a decade, eventually bringing the World Constructors' Championship to Alfa. The 1967 33 Coupe Stradale used a version of the same V8 engine. This streamlined coupe, designed by Franco Scaglione, sits very low on the road, being less than a meter high. Only 18 examples were ever produced. At number 7, the Alfa Romeo V8 Montreal. Designed as a 2+2 coupe, the Montreal stood out with its unique front headlight design, courtesy of the world-renowned car designer Marcello Gandini at Bertone. While the initial 2 prototypes were equipped with an inline-4 engine borrowed from the Alfa Romeo Giulia, the production model took a more substantial turn. It was ultimately outfitted with a 90-degree V8 engine. Over the span of 7 years, from 1970 to 1977, at nearly 4,000 amazing Montreal vehicles were manufactured. At number 6, the 1962 Alfa Romeo 2600 Pininfarina Speciale. First bodied as a Spider Prototypo 621, later as a coupe. This is a stunning car, one of the most proportionally correct Alfas ever made. Called the 2600 Sprint Speciale and was by Bertone, designed by Giugiaro. At number 5 is the Alfa Romeo 75 Turbo Evoluzione. 500 examples of the Turbo Evoluzione were produced in spring 1987 to meet Group A requirements. The car had many modifications compared to the normal turbo model. The engine was down-sleeved, and while the claimed power is the same as in the standard turbo, this engine is better suited for power upgrades than the standard 75 turbo engine. Available in only one color, red, of course, including the grille, which was usually gray. A large 75 Evoluzione decals stretched across both doors on each side. Number 4 is the 1990 Alfa Romeo SZ. A few Alfa Romeos have carried the name SZ for Sprint Zagato, but only one has also borne the nickname Il Mostro, Italian for the monster. It doesn't take more than a glance to figure out why. With a transaxle layout, it was powered by the Alfa 75's 3.0 V6. It had a menacing exhaust sound and a 0-60 time of 7 seconds. Handling was precise too, not something that could be said for other Alfas of the era. Number 3 is the Alfa Romeo Ottochi Competizione. The Alfa Romeo Ottochi Competizione stands as a stunning automobile with a limited production run of just 500 units. It featured a robust 450 bhp V8 engine sourced from Maserati, and its striking design led to swift sales. While the 8C was undeniably an exhilarating and enjoyable car to drive, it didn't quite match the dynamic refinement of its peers and could be a bit unforgiving if pushed to its limits, given its sharp handling characteristics. At number 2 is the 2003 Alfa Romeo 147 GTA. Truly a remarkable vehicle that packed an extraordinary punch in a compact frame. Under the hood, it boasted a magnificent 3.2-liter V6 engine. This power plant was a standout in its class during its initial release, showcasing Alfa Romeo's commitment to delivering exceptional performance. One intriguing aspect of the 147 GTA was Alfa's decision not to include a limited-slip differential in the front-wheel drive configuration. It's a testament to Alfa Romeo's distinctive approach to engineering and their willingness to challenge conventional norms in pursuit of an exhilarating driving experience. This decision, while unconventional, added a unique flavor to the 147 GTA's handling dynamics, making it a car that truly stood out in the crowd. This bold move by Alfa exemplifies their dedication to pushing boundaries and embracing innovation. It's these distinctive characteristics that continue to earn Alfa Romeo a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts, reminding us of the passion and audacity that define this iconic Italian brand. Before we get to numero 1, please do like, share, and subscribe to help us grow on YouTube. The Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The new Giulia marks an exciting and promising return to Alfa Romeo's illustrious history of creating exceptional vehicles. It's no secret that being an Alfa fan has been challenging in recent times, given the brand's ups and downs. Nevertheless, amidst the challenges, the Alfa Romeo team managed to craft a collection of cars that, while not without their flaws, have consistently showcased brilliant engineering and distinctive Italian style. One of the most recent Alfa Romeo models, which many consider a pinnacle, is one of the latest creation from the brand. Renowned auto enthusiasts like Chris Harris have expressed their admiration, exclaiming, "I think I want one." Such praise speaks volumes about this remarkable vehicle. Powering it is a truly exceptional 2.9-liter V6 engine, delivering a staggering 503 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. This smooth V6 engine, combined with precision steering and a finely balanced chassis, makes for an extraordinarily impressive comeback for Alfa Romeo. It represents a compelling blend of performance and Italian craftsmanship that has left an indelible mark in the hearts of automotive aficionados. The Alfa Romeo Giulia, in many ways, signifies a renaissance for the brand, reminding us of the passion and expertise that have defined Alfa throughout its storied history.